guys think, huh?
Give it up for Firefly. Come on, turn
All the way around?
Get it, Lenny.
Crystal?
Come on, man. Make some noise.
All the way around? All right. We're going to go turn 4 in reverse. That looks good.
Turn 4 reverse?
Yeah, going into turn 3 right now.
It's like I looked down, it's like, did he pull a 180? I don't know.
You guys got to make some noise for Firefly out there. You got to cheer him on. He's got to hear you.
There it is. It's hard to hear back there, guys.
He's still going back straight. Look at him go.
Slowing down. Don't let him stop. Don't let him stop. There it is. Come on, guys. Keep it going.
Very impressive.
There it is. Oh, that gives
Still going. Look at that skill. Look at that skill, Brian.
That is so hard.
All right. Here he is, guys. Bring him home.
Come on.
Bring him home, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Where's he going to go? Where's he going to go? Keep it going. Keep it going. Look at this. He's going to... No.
What's happening?
Unbelievable.
Spark. Give it up for Firefly.
Yeah. That was awesome.
All the way around.
Wow. Wow.
Here we go.
Nice. What do you guys think? Paw Patrol on the list? No. All right. They're running them fast and furious. Sparky. Oh! Sparky on the list? No. All right. What about Crash?
No, boo.
Oh, that was awesome.
Boo.
All right.
All right, Thor.
No.
Get it, get it.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
Does that make the list? No.
No. Captain America.
They're trying hard. They're hitting.
They are.
What do they have to do?
All right. What do you think? Slinky. What do you think he's gonna do? Something. All right. Paw Patrol number 2. Blue Paw Patrol.
Blue paws.
Up and down. All right.
I'm not hearing enough boo.
Rusty's going over. That one is up. Awful. What's going on?
All right, honey wagon. This isn't bad. All right, honey wagon. All right. Make the list. Double
007.
I'm ready for you.
Control the tires. Oh, he's gonna come to a lane. Hey, 007 on the list. Brian, add 007 to your list.
On it. He's on there.
DQ. Go DQ. Oh. No, that's a boo, guys. That's a big boo.
I mean, it was kind of
That's a boo.
cute. Good for them.
Oh, what do we say about 4 wheels? That's a no-no. What was that, Jonah? Open your eyes. What are you doing?
All right, come on.
On Donner. On Blitzen.
On flip.
We are what's going on? Problem Child. That was good speed. Hey, should Problem Child make the list? Yeah, he came in full throttle, guys. That was pretty cool.
List.
Yeah, Problem Child's on the list.
All right.
Redneck Fun right here, guys. Right here. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, he gets an A for effort. Shredded some parts. That's always good. That game came on.
Yes.
What is up?
Yes. Let's see how quick you can get out of this thing.
I do have a question for you guys. Hold on.
There he is.
Put your hands together. Question for you guys.
You?
3, 2, 1. Flip that car. All right, timing was a little off, but that's okay. We'll get it right on the next one.
All right, I'm putting.
So, and now is it going to start?
Yes.
What do you guys think? Is it going to start?
That was a soft flip. He's got
What do
it.
you guys think? All right. All right. I think it might.
I think so.
It did. It started. He's going to drive that away. See you later.
You got another try, that means.
That's a Buick, guys. That's a big old Buick. How cool is that? Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, Brass Monkey.
He's been shoving.
Brass Monkey, put your hands together. That was awesome. Look at all those cars left. I don't know if we're going to make my 8.
Week after week, he's been showing up. Go Grass Monkey. All right,
That is
Thor
awesome.
making another run.
I tell you what makes me nervous when they get out so quickly. Like, are they wearing their seatbelts?
He is.
They're like out
he's-
like
he's
that.
Just quite. I mean, wouldn't you want to get out from an upside down car?
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, I would.
Easy.
All right, Ford, go forward. He's trying hard. He's honestly trying.
The tire came off the
I saw that. I saw that.
I looked like it almost got back on, but no, it's off. It's way off. Ooh, crash, crash, no bueno. Ooh, Sparky, Sparky with the suit and everything. Yeah, come on, that was kind of fun, right, Mark? No lifts, no lifts. Ooh, all right, 007, Brian. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm ready. I have a sound bite for it.
It's up. He's running hard. Good speed. Go, cut it. Oh! He's got to go a little higher. He's got a good speed there. He's doing well. 007, Captain America. We'll give him that one because it's Captain America. He can do 4 wheels.
Does that make the list?
Slinky.
I like the effort, but I mean, that thing is going
That was awesome.
Problem child.
What do you guys think? Problem child make the list? All right, yeah. I agree. That was a good one.
He was already on, but that.
About the same distance as Grass Monkey, so it's going to be close. As he jumps out. Nice job. All right, let's get our timing good on this one.
Wait.
And I think it's definitely going to restart.
Mark, what is this you keep saying, like the distance of? That's not part of it. We're not judging distance, are we?
Say again?
You're saying like the distance.
Oh, what distance is cool, though. All right, you guys ready? Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, flip that car!
Did you steal that fuel?
I got distracted, Brian. Come on.
Steal the fuel pour out of that thing? You're gonna need to sop that up. Yeah, just throw a little spark through it, it'll be fine.
Somebody call 911. Shiny fire.
Yeah, don't try to start. Oh, he's gonna hop in and try to start it. Why not? Maybe it was just not fuel. All right, 50-50. Hurry up and get your tickets while you still can. Last call.
Look at that, guys. It started up.
Get out of here. Last call, 50-50. All right, that's only 2 rollovers, so we can do this.
It's on, Paw Patrol. Roll it over.
Okay, here we go. Van,
All right.
van action, pump it up. He's giving the pump.
Is he getting pushed though, Brian? I think that's a push. Yeah,
That's never gonna make it very far. Paw Patrol, cut him off. He missed. What a... Oh, what is all
What is this? What is this?
He should be.
What is this?
He's gonna be stuck on the
What is this? Hey, they take care of each other. See how that works? See how that is? That was a fat sight right there.
What was that?
I no idea.
I mean, it's one thing if you cut him off like you're gonna make it, but then he fits the rim.
All right, next one. What happened to the tailgate? It was just sitting right there.
One of the guys, Beach.
I didn't see
Yeah,
that.
Beach Boys got it.
All right.
Redneck.
So close.
Money wagon. Don't run it. Just stop it. Yes.
Wow.
All right. That was Honey Wagon.
Honey wagon.
Does that make the list?
Hey, you got a little fire over here.
Don't worry about that.
Yeah, that's no big deal. Don't worry about it. I'm just gonna be over here.
And that's why we don't want you standing near the fence. All right, They got the fire under control.
Brian, did you ask the question or do I need to ask the question?
What's that?
Does Honey Wagon make the list? Yeah.
You go for another attempt.
Nice, guys. Eyes on the track. Here we go. Can he do it again? Yes. Did it again. He did it again.
Oh, yep, look, there he goes out the back. Would be right.
There he is. Guys, got to put your hands together for Grass Monkey. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Flip that car. All right, that was pretty good. That was pretty good.
I like how you like slow down the same. It's good. All right, come on.
Oh, yeah, you just didn't care. Yeah, it was. There go the tires.
Don't worry, that'll pump out. Moody's got you.
Moody's got you. Take it to Moody's Monday. All right, it did start.
Get the heck out of here.
He's psyched.
Loves it.
It did start.
Loves it.
That's pretty cool. Yeah. All right, here we go.
That's the oil, bro.
All right, guys, put your hands together for Grass Monkey, guys.
Look, he has to drive.
Yeah.
He has to drive like Ace Ventura out the
That's so
window.
awesome.
He has to drive like Ace Ventura out the window just to see.
All right, how many flip overs is that, Brian? 4, 5?
Only up to 4. 4. I need more.
Come on, 8 more.
I need more, my leg. Come on.
I said 8.
Donner.
Double that number.
Donner.
Go, Donner. Flip that over.
Yes.
He wants it. Get back in line. Sparky does.
Sparky for Sparks last time.
Oh, wow. That was violent.
Sparky's going to park that on the tire. All right, Thor. Do it. Hit it with school.
He's got a flat tire in the back, but he doesn't care.
That's going to leave a mark.
Yeah. He's smoking out there. Look at that.
He is giving it all he's got.
Would you look at that?
Would you look at that?
Look at that.
He's giving all he's got. Just can't get that thing to roll.
Yep.
You can tell he's up for it. He sends it some speed. He yanks on the wheel.
What's up with Captain America in reverse?
I don't know.
Running on the rim. Like we're out in California or something. You ever see the police chase where they pop the tires shred, and then they just run the rims?
Love it. All right. Captain America, come on, fanboy. What's he going to do here?
All right, looks like a little reverse action. Oh, look at those skills, Captain America. What?
I give credit. That's hard to hit the ramp, but boo, you said 4 wheels don't count.
All right,
You're on board.
007.
Oh, man.
007, here it is,
Ready.
Brian.
Never ready for him. Never ready.
He's up, he's running it, he's up.
He's
Same
down.
spot every
He's
time.
down.
Doing good, though.
Doing good.
Yep.
He's on the list.
He is on the list.
Slinky. Slumped up.
Slinky.
No.
Oh, something popped there. That was awesome. All right, pop the last 2 cars. Pretty good. Pretty good. That was good.
Now, was it? All right, this guy missed the ramp last time. I think that's going to be it. Looks like we already got some dead ones sitting out there. Or 007 want another run? Is he coming for another run? All right, let me give him. I'll give him his proper music. See if he can really send it here. Come on, 007. There you go. You got your own music. There it is. There it is.
Correct.
All right. That's not going to do it. That is it for these guys.